We have today with us the ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani ji, Miss Universe America, Miss World, sorry, Miss World, I take my words back, Miss World Universe of America, Shri Saini ji, Hanmantra Gaikwad, Vijay Patil, I forget your name, Miss India Simran, and all those present here for this August gathering. It gives me an immense pleasure here to be this evening with all of you. What an incredible performance which we could see by the Dhol Tasha Pathak and the girls who played Lezim. I, at one instance, felt, was I in Kolhapur? Was I in Maharashtra? I asked Vijay Patel and the entire team, are these people, have they come all the way from India to perform? They said, no. They're all settled here. They're all working here. They're all studying here. And my kudos to all the Dhol Tasha Pathak people and my kudos to all the Lezim people also. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is an icon to everyone. I am just fortunate to be born in that family. But we live by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We die for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj formed the Hindu Swarajya. We have to understand the real concept behind Hindu Swarajya, which Rupaniji also mentioned in his speech. Swarajya is self-rule. He showed in the year 1630, he was born in 1630, but after the 16th century, his mother, his guru, Jizauba Masahib, taught him that how his father Shaji Raje had envisaged that the Swarajya should be formed. He couldn't do it, but he wanted Shivaji Maharaj to do it. And Swarajya is the self-rule, the invasion which had come into India, then Bharat, that in Hindustan, which was the Mughals, which was the Adil Shahis, which was the Nizam Shahi. So it had to be thrown out. The foreign rule had to be thrown out. The Portuguese, the Dutch had to be thrown out. And there is where Shivaji Maharaj formed the Swarajya. And then the Swarajya, in short, from my side to for you all, is a progressive state of mind. Progressive thought is Hindu Swarajya and keeping our Hindu culture at its very base. This is what Shivaji Maharaj is. I can speak on Shivaji Maharaj at length, but we have a lot of other functions coming up. But more importantly, I would like to tell you all, I would like to tell the Honorable ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat that Raigad is the fort where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was coronated as the Chhatrapati. Chhatrapati means the sovereign king, Raja ke Raja. And that is where he was coronated as the Chhatrapati. His Shivrajyabhishek function took place in the year 2007 or 2006. We started the Shivrajyabhishek function where with 2,000 people, now we have 5 lakhs people coming on 6th of June. That documentary would be shown to you how it has, how the movement has started and how it has gone global. I also would like to invite you all. You must come to Raigad Fort because Raigad Fort is the biggest fort in the world. It is compared to the biggest fort, that is Gibraltar, which is at the tip of the Spain. So it is also projected as the Gibraltar of the East. Raigad. Also, a point which I said to then the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ji, I spoke to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We have to restore and conserve the Raigad Fort. The first time in the history of India where the Raigad Development Authority has been formed, I am the chairperson of that. We are conserving and restoring the Raigad Fort, where the Central Archaeological Survey of India and the government of Maharashtra have come together. And you will see the progress, how it is being taking place, which will require another 3-4 years to go. The last 4 years, the restoration conservation work has been taking place. So I invite you to come for the 6th of June every year for the Shivrajyabhishek function and also be a part and see how the restoration conservation is taking place. And I thank Vijay Patil and the entire team for calling all of us here and see celebrating the 350th Shivaji Maharaj Rajabhishek function here. It's not a small thing. You all come, you have showed a unity. You have showed, yes, as Indians, as American Indians, we come together and we can show what Shivaji Maharaj showed us 350 years back. That is the unity. That if we unite, we can make a better future. We can make a better nation. And I once again thank Vijay and the entire team for calling us. And I will be cherishing this in my memory. The reason is I started, or rather, all the Shiv Bhakts started the Shivraj Abhishek function in 2006. Now it has come global, and you have given me an opportunity to be a part of it. Thank you so much.